see how to print alphabet triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. Here, in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. Those space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Those space characters are appended with alphabet characters. Alphabet characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 9 to 1, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. Along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. Here we will be using one more variable, j is equal to 5. We are going to use while loop here, while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to reduce j value by 1 and we are going to increase I value by 1. So here j value will be 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition is false, and our iteration is going to stop here. So let's print the code. Here every line begins with space characters. Here we are going to combine two spaces, multiply by I, which is going to give us 0 space, then 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. Those space characters are appended with alphabet character. Alphabet character begins from E, then D, then C, then B, and A. So 69 minus I is going to give us E, D, C, B, A. An alphabet character is appended with single space character. Here the alphabets decreasing in the range of 2 from 9 to 1. So for that we are going to use j value. J into 2 is going to give us 10, minus 1 is going to give us 9 in the first line, then it will give 7, then 5, then 3, and 1. So run this file in the terminal, pytriangle.py. This is our expected alphabet triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet triangle pattern.